Hi, good day everyone. Today we're going to learn how to make this monstrosity. Your assignment this week is to choose 3 characters from the theme and create 5 different character cutouts for each one of them. Now, character cutouts are stitched together textures, elements, and other forms that can inspire you to create an actual design. So again, 3 characters, 5 each, that's a total of 15 cutouts. Our goal is to learn how to use the lasso tool, the selection tool, and a little bit of layering manipulation as well. And I cannot express this enough, but this is a vital technique in character development. So let's get started. Now, the first thing that you gotta do is download all the images that you need to download, or maybe take a photo of it in real life. Now, I got some suggestions what I should download, so I'm gonna try it out now. Really? Alright, let's open Photoshop. After you open Photoshop, select the canvas, an 8x11" landscape format. Let me show you how to import all the materials that you would need in your canvas.
Go to File, click Place Embedded.
Now you would notice some of your materials have background, some of your materials are PNGs, which is very lucky of you. But don't worry, I'll show you how to take each one and be able to use it. Try your best to label them so you won't get confused. This is so you'll be organized.
Now you see everything on your folder, click the one you want on your canvas. Now don't worry if it has a background, we're going to fix that. This is when I'll teach you how to use the lasso tool. There are 3 kinds. There's a standard lasso tool, which you can actually stroke. If you have a stylus, this will be easier. There's also the polygonal, not sure. It's a little bit more angled, so it doesn't really do the job. My favorite is the magnetic one because it's a smart tool. It's already getting all the edges that's needed. Yes, sometimes it won't really work that well. This is when you will go for the quick selection tool. It's so easy. You just hold it down, get the entire object, wait a little bit more. It depends on your computer. It gets the entire thing all on its own. Now you can right click, layer via copy, rename that layer so you won't get confused, hide the original layer or delete it if you like, and then there it is, clean cut. Now you can manipulate it the way you want. You can flip, resize, rotate. You can even move it around. Place it where you need it to be. Remember, each tool has a different purpose, so experiment. Take note that you can also delete layers with this just by clicking the delete button. Now, again, this may take some getting used to, but that's the point. Practice as much as you can. Again, you have 15 cutout silhouettes that you need to do. The more you create something, the more you will learn and you will discover new things. Have fun with the process. It can be as goofy as you like. This is one of those techniques where your brain just turns off. But without you realizing it, you are learning while you're actually meditating or relaxing with the activity. Some of your files will have complicated backgrounds. Don't worry. The selection tools and the lasso tools know what to do. Again, it's the same process, just slow it down and be careful.
And there you go! You've created this thing.
Now let's save your file. Go to File, click Save As. This means you're saving it as a Photoshop file, so you can edit it later on. Now, if you want to export it as PNG, all you gotta do is click Export, quick Export as PNG, and pick a folder and click Save.
Now, I know it looks silly now, but there's actually a purpose in everything that we learn in this class. I would like to emphasize now why this is so important. This is good practice in character designing because from this, we get ideas. It may look crazy, it may look weird, but again, we gathered enough data and information for our creativity to work around with. This is us creating our own spark of inspiration. always remember that inspiration can come from anywhere. You have the skill, you have the talent. Now you have the knowledge of the tools in your disposal. And all that put together already makes you a good artist. So there we go. I hope you guys had fun with this assignment. I can't wait to see all the characters you come up with. I am terrified. If you have any questions, just message me. I'll be happy to help you out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.